Motivated, dedicated, motivated, dedicated, motivated, dedicated. Hey folks, today I'm just to thanks Wesley $1 billion Virgin. He teach a lot of people about how to recondition our mind, and now I meditate. You know what I mean? Is life is good. Even I don't make money, but I see everything in front of my eyes, and I can do all I want to do. I can help a lot of folks here in Madagascar. You know, man, I'm really happy, and that's the reason why I give this video for you. I motivate you. I teach you on my program, on this YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, all about the internet, because I'm following the rich. I do it such a way as Wesley $1 billion Virgin. Big shout out. Thank you, man. Thank you. Continue to teach a lot of people. Let's go.